Yeah, hello, Martin here. I'm over in Cuckfield, quite local to our factory and show centre, to share another one of our Kite pre-designed combination rooms, 4.2 metres wide, 3.7 metres deep. Them lovely French doors in the anthracite works lovely with this. The greenery around it still looks really nice. Phase one, concrete base by our contractors TJM, Tom Manville. We are going to be doing some landscaping here next year, and a 1.5 metre store. Now, a really well thought out store and bike store. So the building here has got this lovely benchwork here. And the first, I'm going to note the brand. It's called Stashed. And that there, you can just see the branding there. This is a bike rack, but you can slide the bikes along on that track. And also, see the little kids bike there, it's even got a hook for the second one. So you can actually really kind of collect the bikes together in a far better way and get them all pushed back. So I'm really like that idea for a store, and I'll be reaching out to the guys to see it at Stash to see how we can help more. And a lovely kitted out store. So it's 3.7 deep the whole way down. All the bikes collect at the bottom on that sliding track by Stash, and then a nice little workbench and storage section. So I really like the organisation side of that. And the building here being used daily as a two-person office, that 3.7 metres deep gives loads of space to achieve it, but also uses a gym, bit of a yoga area to chill out. Got the watt bike there, TV up on the wall, which is working lovely with the Sonos soundbar, and a day bed for the clients. Just had their third baby, and so this is being used as a little bit of a treat as well. So that multi-purpose family space is really needed in this particular family, and it's worked really well. So we've got two half-drop windows on the side instead of the full drop, again with the desks there. Integrated blinds on the front, which you've seen loads of times before, I'm sure. And then the rest of the building all fully completed by us. You've got that lovely V200 in the timeless colour. I say that nice big space in the middle is going to be used for yoga, but also just being used as multi-family space, and over the years will get used more as the kids grow up. It'll become a kids' den as well, I'm absolutely sure. So yeah, the side here we're going to end up with a hot tub, some lovely landscaping. But for now, this is the building ready for phase two of the landscaping, probably coming next year now. And there you go. So that's a 4.2 wide room with the 1.5 store in our Kite pre-designed within the planning rules, and fully completed by the Bakers team. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share what we do.